on the Nuance website. And if you click the Get It Now link, you're brought to the trial area. And you can start a free trial. Just note that you are going to need to put in a credit card in order to start this trial. Now, user forums do recommend that you do get your subscription before you download and set up the app on iOS. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by clicking Get It Now. And we will go through the trial subscription and we'll click Checkout. Note that the trial subscription is only 7 days, so you'll want to make sure that you're canceling if you do not want to keep it beyond that period of time. We're going to use our existing login. There are a few things to note about the payment for the trial subscription. First, PayPal is permitted. First, PayPal is accepted for the trial subscription. That said, PayPal does not look to your PayPal balance, it looks to your underlying balance in order to process the trial subscription. Therefore, if you were looking to use PayPal, just note that once the subscription starts, it will actually be deducted from whatever account that you have, whether or not it is a debit card or a bank account. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to download and install the app, and then we'll need to use the email address and password that we used for our Nuance account. So we will now search for the Dragon app, and we will grab the application. You'll then be able to download the app. Then you'll be able to open it from your mobile device. You are going to allow it to access your microphone. And then what you're going to do is you're going to sign in since you've already subscribed. Once you type in your login and password, you'll then be ready to use Dragon everywhere. You'll then click Done, and we will pick it up from the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.